Whether there's a lifeguard on site or not, it is the parents and caregivers who are responsible for being designated water washers to ensure that your baby and child is safe while in the pool or at the spa. Welcome to Ruthsstraighttalk, the channel designed to help you, your students, and your children live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. I'm Cynthia Ruth. In this video, I will share 5 tips to keep your baby safe in the pool. Also, don't miss my bonus tips on keeping baby happy and healthy at the end of this video. So let's get right to it. The leading cause of death in children is drowning. In the United States, in ages 1 through 4, more children die from drowning than any other cause of death except birth defects. In children ages 1 to 14, drowning is the second leading cause of injury death after motor vehicle crashes. So how do you keep your child safe around the pool or spa? First of all, you should never leave a child unattended in or near any body of water. When children are in or near water, you must designate an official water watcher who is an adult tasked with supervising children in the water. This should be the water watcher's only task, and the water watcher must have a phone on hand in case they need to call for help. If a child is missing, the first place you should look is in the pool. Number 2, teach children how to swim. Swimming is a fun, loving activity that also saves lives. There are many free or reduced cost swimming classes available from your local YMCA, USA Swimming Chapter, or Parks and Recreation departments. Warn children to stay away from the drains. Be sure to keep them from playing or swimming near the drains or suction outlets, especially in spas and shallow pools. Do not even enter the pool or spa if the drain is loose, broken, or missing a cover. Children's hair, limbs, jewelry, or bathing suits can get stuck in the drain or the suction opening. Also, make sure that you know how to shut off the emergency vacuum. Powerful suction from a pool or spa drain can even trap an adult. Number 5, every pool where a child may be should have proper fences, barriers, alarms, and covers. The fence must be at least 4 feet tall and should not be climbable for children. The water should only be accessible through a self-closing, self-latching gate. You should also install a door alarm from the house to the pool area to alert parents when the child opens that door. The bonus tip: learn how to perform CPR. You may be the only person that could do CPR and save a life, so get certified. There are several online CPR courses, and make sure that you keep your certification current. CPR classes are available through many hospitals, community centers, or by contacting the American Red Cross. So there you have it. Several tips to help keep your baby safe in the pool. Keep in mind also that as parents, you should always look for new ways to do things that is best suited to your baby. If this video has helped you, please leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Also, if you have a story, a tip, a strategy, a question, or just some advice that you would like me to share with my audiences, please also leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Click on these videos above for more awesome information on education and parenting. As always, thank you so much for visiting with us at Ruthsstraighttalk.com. Happy learning and goodbye.